Happy Pancake Day, guys! This year I am making Nutella and banana crepes, and they are so seriously easy to make. To make them, all you need to do is combine 125 ml of full-fat milk and 125 ml of water with a pinch of salt, crack in 2 eggs and give a brief whisk together. In another bowl, add 120 grams of plain flour, then slowly pour the liquid into the flour and whisk. Melt 30 grams of butter, then allow to cool slightly before pouring it into the batter mixture and whisking until no lumps remain. Then we can get on with the Nutella element. And I simply warm 200 grams of Nutella with 2 tablespoons of cream, simply just to make it more spreadable so it doesn't tear my delicate crepes. Heat a non-stick pan over a medium heat and add a little of the batter. Swirl your pan to get that batter to spread out and form a perfect circle in your pan. You want this to be very thin, so you need a lot less batter than you might think. And then cook them for about 35 to 45 seconds on the first side, and then using a palette knife or a spatula, gently ease them away from the side of the pan and flip. Give them a further 30 seconds until just starting to go brown on the other side. Then turn them out onto a plate and then simply spread with the Nutella sauce and chopped banana. Fold them into cornets and enjoy. I hope you'll give this recipe a go, and you'll find lots of my other recipes on my Facebook page, Instagram and YouTube channel. And if you're checking out my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And again, guys, have a good Pancake Tuesday. It's so good.